Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Yes children, in the previous episode I explained you about the pronouns, right? What are pronouns? So in this episode I am going to explain about conjunction. Okay children? So what was the pronouns children in the previous episode? What I explained you? These, this, that, these and those. Right children? So pronouns are used instead of nouns. So in this lesson today I am going to explain you lesson number 13, that is conjunction. What is conjunction children? Yes, conjunction, a word that joins together, is known as conjunction. For example, and, so, but. When we are using these words to join the two sentences, right children, and it makes the complete sentence, is known as conjunction. Okay children, now let us see page number 81. Yes children, lesson number 13, conjunction. In this lesson we are using and for the exercise. Yes children, I explained you what is conjunction. A word that is used to join a word is known as conjunction. A word that is used to join words, phrases, sentences is known as conjunction. Okay children? Next, here you can see the pictures 1, 2, 3 and 4. What are the two things in each picture? Say their names. See children, in this picture you can see two things, means two pairs. Okay, you can see the two pairs. For example, in the first picture you can see the bread and the butter. Yes, so here we are using this and, right? Bread and butter. These are two nouns. To complete this we are using here and, right children? A and D, and here is a conjunction. Okay, so children, in the next picture you can see a mother and daughter. So when we are saying the sentence children, we say mother and daughter. Again here we are using and, right? Mother and daughter. So and here is a conjunction. Okay, in the next picture you can see chair and table. Right children, can you see table and chair? Here again we are using and, table and chair. The next picture is of spoon. There are two different types of spoon children. One is fork and other is spoon. So we will use fork and spoon. Spoon and fork. Okay children? So on page number 82, before that children I will show you some small audio. Just wait. Conjunctions and. Conjunctions are used to join two nouns. I have a pet and a pet cat. I have a pet dog and a pet cat. See children, here are two pets pet animals, right? One is dog and other is cat. I have a pet dog and a pet cat. So conjunctions are used to join two nouns. Yes, can you see this picture? I am eating a burger and fries for lunch. I am eating a burger and fries for lunch. Here and is used here, children, right, to complete that whole sentence. So and is a conjunction here. Let us see the next picture. Okay.
Conjunctions. Hello students. Today we will learn about conjunctions. Read these sentences and notice the words in blue. Anita and Benita are twins. Today is their birthday. Look what they got. A lovely doll and some books. See what Mom has brought. Balloons and flowers. See what Dad has made. A cake and a pudding. The words in blue help to join two nouns. Such words are called conjunctions. Examples: bread and butter, table and chair, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill are eating bread and jam.
Okay, children, have you understood when to use and? Yes. Yes, children, now you have to take out page number 82. Here are some exercises, so we will complete this. The A question: what are these? Write their names, use and to join them. Okay? These are the pictures. So, looking at the pictures, children, you have to identify which nouns are there, and you have to use and in that. The first one, you can see bat, ball, bat, ball. Okay, bat and ball. So here we are using bat and ball to complete that sentence. The next one, there is a pen and paper. So what will you write here? Pen and paper. Pen and paper. Okay? Now let us go to the third picture to join them. Okay? You can see shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. So here you have to write shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. Okay, children? Now let us join the other two pictures, other two words. Okay? The fourth one is car and bike. You can see both the nouns here, car and bike. Car and bike. Okay? Here in the next fifth picture you can see the mobile and the charger. Mobile and the charger. Phone and charger. Okay. So here you have to use and, phone and charger. Okay. The sixth one, you can see shirt and tie. Right? What you can see there? Shirt and tie. Shirt and tie. The next one, black and white. You can see white spots and black. Black and white. Okay, children. So in the next picture, what you can see? Yes, in the basket there are fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. So you have to write here fruits and vegetables. Okay, children. So here we have completed this A exercise. Now we will go to the B1. Complete the sentences using the clause given. The first one, I am not well. Please give me bread and butter. In the bracket, the options are given to you, children. Bread oblique butter. So here you have to write and. Bread and A&D and butter. Bread and butter. The first one is done for you. The second one, the light has gone off. You can get me dash candle and match. Candle and matchbox. Candle and candle and matchbox. Okay. The next one, let me cut the apple. Let me cut the apple. Get me dash plate oblique knife. So what we will use, children, to complete that? A&D and plate and knife. So here you have to use plate and knife. Okay. The next one, I want to water the plants. Give me a dash bucket or mug. Here you have to write bucket and mug. Bucket and mug. Okay. Fifth one, I have hurt my knee. Can I get some dash cotton plaster? Cotton and plaster. Cotton and plaster. Okay, children. So here we have completed the question number B. Now let us see page number 83. Yes. Combine the two sentences in each pair. Use and show in the example. Yes. To complete this sentence, here we have to use and. Okay. The first one is done for you. She has fever and cold. She has fever and cold. Okay, the first one is done for you. has fever, has cold and cold. Okay. So here you have to use and. She has fever and cold. Okay, children? Here, the next one, I had chapati, I had dal. I had chapati, I had dal. So here what you have to use? I had chapati and dal. I had chapati and dal. Okay? So here we have completed this sentence. The next one, third one, she looked up, she looked down. So children, she looked up, she looked down. Here she looked, it is repeated. So instead of that, what we have to use to join the two words? Yes, we have to use and. She looked up, she looked up and down. Okay, she looked up and down. The next one, they jumped, they danced. Here again they and they is used. So to join the words, here also we have to use and. So they jumped and danced. Okay, they jumped and danced. The fifth one, she shouted, she cried. So what will be the correct answer here? She shouted and cried. She shouted and cried. Okay, the next one, they pushed, they pulled. They pushed, they pulled. They pushed and pulled. They pushed and pulled. Okay, so here we have completed this exercise. Now we will go to the D question. D1. Rewrite the list of names, use commas and, A and D, and. Yes children, the first one, Seema, Arvind, Trisha, I. Can you see the names of the people? Seema, Arvind, Trisha, I. So in this question children, here you have to use commas and A and D and. Okay. Seema, comma, Arvind, Trisha and I. So the first one is done for you. The next one is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how will you write this sentence? Thursday, comma, Friday, comma, Saturday, and Sunday. Here you are using and Sunday. Okay, children? And the next one, uncle, aunt, Nimmi, Jay. There are four names here. So the same here, uncle, comma, aunt, comma, Nimmi and Jay. You have to give a full stop here. Okay, here we are using and conjunction. Okay, uncle, aunt, Nimmi and Jay. The next one, eyes, ears, nose, throat. Eyes, comma, ears, comma, nose and throat. Okay. The next one, left, right, center. Left, comma, right and center. Okay. The next one, pens, pencil, rubber. Pens, comma, pencil and rubber. Full stop. Okay. In this way you have to complete this. Question number D. Rewrite the list of names using commas and A and D and. Okay, children? Yes. So we will go to the next one, next exercise. Let us speak. Read the question and then say the answer. Okay? This is for your homework, children. Which fruit do you like the most? You have to say. Okay, that is the homework. Now let us see. Look at the picture and make a list of things in each row. Page number 85. Okay, page number 85. The first one is done for you. A bench, trees and a path. What you can see in that picture, children? You can see bench, trees and path. In the second picture you can see three things. One is teddy, one is penguin and other is drum. Okay, a penguin. What you will write here? The first one, a penguin, comma, a teddy, here you have to use and drum. Here we are using and drum. Okay. In the next picture you can see a man, a banana and an apple. What you can see? A fruit seller, a fruit seller, comma, next banana comma, sorry, here and will come. And what you will write? And apple. Full stop. And apple. The next one, fourth one, you can see elephant, giraffe, lion and monkeys, right children? So here you have to write a giraffe, comma, a lion, comma, next an elephant, an elephant and a monkey and a monkey. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this sentence. Yes children, so here we have completed this lesson conjunction. So children, here we have completed this lesson conjunction. Okay, so what is a conjunction children? The word that is used to join the words. For example, and, right? So in the next class you will study so and for also children in the grade 2. So until then children, bye, take care.